Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wished you could create your own custom indicators on TradingView but felt intimidated by coding, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the incredible power of ChatGPT to generate your very own TradingView indicator, even if you have zero programming experience. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get a working indicator onto your TradingView charts in just a few minutes. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open up ChatGPT. You can do this in any web browser. Once you're there, you'll want to type in a prompt asking ChatGPT to generate a useful indicator for TradingView's Pine script editor, and make sure you specify version 6. So, for example, you can type, "Give me a useful indicator for TradingView Pine script editor version 6. The wording doesn't have to be fancy, just clearly state what you want. The reason we mention version 6 is because Pine script, which is the language TradingView uses for custom indicators, is updated pretty regularly, so a script from version 4 or 5 might not be compatible with the latest features or might throw errors. So getting the right version is really important, and this is the simplest way to do that from the start. Once you've typed that in, go ahead and press enter. Now, this part might take a few moments. ChatGPT is thinking, collating all its knowledge about trading indicators and generating a script that fits the latest standards. Sometimes it'll come up with a moving average crossover, maybe an RSI-based alert, or something even more creative. Feel free to watch as the code appears. It's actually pretty cool to see this process happen in real time. When the code finishes generating, all you need to do is highlight it with your mouse, right-click, and select Copy. If you're on a Mac, you can use Command+C or Control+C on Windows, just your normal copy function. Double-check to make sure you've highlighted the entire script. Sometimes, especially if it's a long one, ChatGPT might put the code in a little scrollable window or break it up, so make sure you don't miss any lines. If anything looks cut off, you can always ask ChatGPT to continue where it left off. Now it's time to head back over to TradingView. With your TradingView chart open, look towards the bottom of your screen. You'll see a tab called Pine Editor. Go ahead and click on that. It'll open up the scripting window where all the magic happens. By default, TradingView plops some example code in there, but you won't need that. Just hit New to start a fresh script, or you can simply select all the existing code and hit backspace to clear it out. This way you avoid any accidental mix-ups between the old and new code. Once your editor is completely empty, right-click and select Paste, or use Ctrl+V or CMD+V to insert the code you copied from ChatGPT. Double-check for any little errors. ChatGPT is good, but if you see a red squiggly line or an error message, don't panic, just double-check you got the whole code or ask ChatGPT to fix a specific error. Usually, though, it works right out of the box. With the code now in the Pine editor, go ahead and hit Add to Chart. In just a moment, you'll see your custom indicator pop up live on your TradingView chart. How cool is that? You've just leveraged AI to build something many traders dream about with almost no coding needed. And there you have it, your very own TradingView indicator, made in minutes with a little help from ChatGPT. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button. And if you have any questions or want to see me try out specific indicators or strategies, drop a comment below. Make sure you subscribe so you never miss out on more practical trading tips and easy-to-follow tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.